Hey, it's Daddy Kenny here. Nandito na naman kami sa Walmart. So, ang aking anak bibili na naman ng laruan dito. Ayan o. Yan. Another car, another day. Sinak, pili ka na. Puro Hot Wheels to. Minsan kasi mayroong magagandang display dito eh. Yung nga lang, nauunahan. Pero medyo late na kasi kaya I'm sure yung mga magaganda napili na. Ayan. Sige, tingin no? Lightning McQueen no? Meron ka na nito eh. You know, the one with the remote control. Yeah. And ano pa ba? Porsche. Ganda yan no? Doc Hudson.
Dad, this one is a Ferrari.
Oh, I like that one. Do you want that? Huh? No? Okay. Sige, hanap muna. Ikot-ikot muna kami, hanap muna. So, which one? Saan dyan? Saan dyan? Ang dami nakalatag na laruan, no? Hindi ka makapili, no? Ha? Only one?
Okay.
You want this or that one? Ha? That one na lang?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, can I see?
What's that?
It looks like Rolls Royce.
What?
Are you sure with this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, time to pay. Mama is waiting there. Okay, let's go. So, time to pay. Sabi, isa lang daw ang bibilin eh. Sabi, ano eh, wall clock lang yung bibilin pero...
Akin na, anak.
Ano? Pati, this way. I'll do it, I'll do it. Which one lang? Sabi, isa lang daw eh. Yeah. Oh, magkano kaya to? Isa lang talaga eh. Isang dosena ata to eh. Ayun, naka-40 tayo ngayon. Okay. Boom. Tuwa na naman ang Walmart. Okay, uwi na. Alright. Let's go home. Brum, brum. Ang sabi, isa lang ang bibilhin. Mabotahin ng sandosena peraso.
I just bought only one.
Very good. Thank you, na.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Tandaan kate sa pagbukas ng pinto. Alright.